I'm Dory. I'm from Princeton, New Jersey, and I've lost 45 pounds with Sensa. I've always been an active person, but in the last few years, I started to go through menopause, and with that came the hormonal fluctuations, and my weight just skyrocketed very quickly. I was up to 193 pounds, and I was wearing a size 16. Sensa is so easy to use, and it's so practical. I mean, I can take it with me anywhere. I can take it with me on the train, on the plane, in a taxi, on the subway. Sensa is like my will powder. That's what I tell my friends, because it helps to control my portions. I just sprinkle it and eat. I feel so much better about my life.
Sensa works. No other weight loss product has such extraordinary clinical results. In one of the largest clinical studies ever conducted for a non-pharmaceutical weight loss product, over 1,400 people were given Sensa and told not to diet and not to change their exercise routine. In most diet studies, people lose a little weight. But with Sensa, the average was an incredible 30.5 pounds. Now, compare that to the other group in the study, the group that wasn't given Sensa. They lost an average of only 2 pounds. So the people who used Sensa lost 30 pounds, while the people who didn't lost only 2. And remember, 30 was just the average. Right now, Sensa users are losing millions of pounds.
I went from a size 16 down to a size 6 by using Sensa.
I went from a size 46 to a size 34.
I lost 50 pounds and went from a size 19 to a 9'10".
I went back to roping and doing all kinds of stuff that normally I wouldn't do because I was 70 years old. But I'm back like I was when I was 50.
You sprinkle it on your food, you lose weight. I've lost 66 pounds, and I love it. I absolutely love it.
The only side effect is just, being happier and thinner.
I tell people all the time, because I've had such victory, I want them to have it too.